In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can set your rangefinder here in Battlefield 6. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. And we can help you further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. So obviously right now I am on a controller, and this is actually extremely easy to go in and do if you are on a controller. All you need to do is actually aim down your sights and look in the bottom right of your screen, and you're going to see a number showing your current range. As you can see right now, it looks like my current range is 100 meters. You'll also see the exact button that you can go ahead and select in order to adjust that rangefinder. So essentially, mine is this left D-pad. Go ahead and adjust that. You could set it to something like 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. It's up to you. Each press is going to increase that by 100 meters. Now, if you actually hold that D-pad button down, it's going to automatically set that range to whatever you're actually looking at. So if I adjust, I can hold this down and it'll adjust as well. I do recommend remapping this control just to make it a little bit easier to use. To do this, go ahead and go into your options and then scroll on this left-hand sidebar until you see controller, hit edit settings, and then go and adjust your zeroing range. And instead of having it on the D-pad, go ahead and set it to L3, which is going to be that left thumbstick. That way, when you hold your breath while sniping, you can also set your rangefinder without having to move your aim. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.